Okay guys, I'm gonna show you my outfit of the day. And guys, I know you worried me, but then I think I'm gonna be fine. Yeah.
Well, you guys, of course, that was Matsidi Show's first video following that trending video, that love video with Limpopo Boy. Matsidi Show already, she knows that people are worried about her. She says that you shouldn't be worried about her as she is doing okay, you guys. She has been clapping back left, right, and center on TikTok. I saw her responding to comments whereby people were dragging her for that video. And of course, social media had a lot to say following that video. We need to be honest about this thing of Matsidi Show and Limpopo Boy. She tried protecting the husband when she saw that the guy was taking a video. She ran away from the camera, and that enough shows how much the queen respects her husband. There's no evidence of her sleeping with that guy. It was just hot, and she decided to take off her clothes, and thus all made the husband not be influenced by Amadoda on social media and stand by his queen. We stand with her during these difficult times. Can you please donate some money for her? She needs vacation to clear her head. Of course, that was Khadi being very much sarcastic. I've seen a lot of these posts. I've seen a lot of these videos on TikTok whereby ladies are standing by Matsidi Show. You guys, they're saying that it's about time men get their own taste of their own medicine. Rather, I actually saw a live whereby Madam Speaker had like a full 3-hour live whereby ladies were applauding Matsidi Show, saying that she did it for all the ladies who have been hurt by men. There was this woman who says that, who was very much proud on the live. She said that Matsidi Show did justice because she was in this relationship whereby her husband had another wife without her knowing. So she says that she hated men, and what Matsidi Show did was justice for them women, you guys. And then another one says, someone said she's still young and definitely not ready for that wifey lifestyle. Maybe Limpopo Boy is not even the first guy to hit. I have to agree with the young part. I feel like she was way too young to be married. And then as Umjita, you need to have friends that are not afraid of telling you the truth, because there's no way I'm letting my boy pay this hard end money for this type of a woman. And you guys, it is said that Kevin paid over 85,000 for the lobola. You guys, now people are saying that she is not wife material. And then there's also some video that I saw whereby the uncles were looking at the bride with that look. People were saying that the uncle at the background with the blue suit definitely did not approve of what was going on. She's about to have a rude awakening. It was just nice as stolen moments. Limpopo Boy has a career to save. He's definitely asked her to stay away for sometimes, and it's going to be a permanent stay away. Of course, you guys, brands are already distancing themselves from Limpopo Boy. Definitely, he's going to try to do a lot of damage control. You guys, he has a lot of salvaging to do to save his career. A lot of brands have allegedly, reportedly dropped him because he has a lot of baggage, so they don't want to be associated with somebody like that, with a video out there, a very explicit video out there. Both the Matsidi Show, Matilda, and Limpopo Boys are fools. You know you're cheating on your husband, yet you allow a camera into the room. What kind of criminal level lack of common sense is this? You didn't just cheat, you documented the evidence of yourself. Somebody also said Limpopo Boy did the brother a great favor. She was just going to infect the poor brother with AIDS in the long run. It's cool he found out this way.